Hi guys, welcome back to the last part of the Weekend of Challenge 40. So in this part we'll be seeing the bulk file timestamper. So basically let's say we have certain files that has to be timestamped with with the date and the time it has been added or uploaded or something like that. So here we have a system which automates all this process. Instead of manually entering that, we just tell the system to do all the timestamping work for you. So let's see how the code goes. So first we have directory, that is we're using the $1 that is basically the first command line argument of the program, followed by a check if the directory exists. So how do we check for directory existing or not? We use -d. So we check if not existing directory. This is basically not, exclamation is not. If directory not exists, then echo, that is print error directory does not exist, and then exit the program fi, that is close if it exists, then this complete if is skipped. Now, let's say we have to iterate through each and every file in the directory. So, for file in directory, that is star. Star is basically it iterates through each and every file in the directory. So then we have to check if the file is actually existing. If there is a file existing, then we have to first change the creation date to we have to modify it properly, the creation date. So basically we are extracting only the date that is required for us using this particular line, and then that is called stat. And now we have to arrange it in a certain form that it should be represented in date, month, and year format. So how do we do that? Is basically converting this in this format, basically converting into day, month, and year format. Here it is mixed format. We are converting that into day, month, year format. Now after that we have to change the file name. We have to rename the file with the existing file name plus the creation date too. That is, for example, if the file is main.sh, let's say main.sh. So main.sh followed by that is underscore creation date. When was it created? That particular creation date. And then we have to save that my file. We have to replace that whatever file with the new file name in the same directory, and then we have to close the fi, and then done. That is for is closed now. Now we have to print saying a timestamping complete for the files in the directory. So now let us run the program. So now let's run it. To run it, I'll use bash main.sh sample underscore directory. So yeah, you can see it, the program is now executed. That is timestamping completed for the files in sample directory. So if I open the sample directory, you can check the alert timestamps are existing there. You can see the date of whatever it was created, that is existing. So now let me submit the program. So yeah, the test have passed, and that's it for this video, and I'll see you the next weekend. That's it for this weekend as well. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below, and you can practice all these problems on the CodeChef platform. So give this a try, and if you want to practice more such problems or get yourself ready for interviews, then you can always go pro on CodeChef. So yeah, check the CodeChef platform out, and thank you for watching, guys.